You have sent out hundreds of online applications during your job search, maybe even more, but you are getting nothing. You stare at your screen. You think the problem is your resume, or your skills, or maybe even you. But the problem is not you at all. It is your approach and your job search strategy. Let's be real. In 2026, blindly clicking apply button is not going to work. The game had changed because AI is now deeply embedded in the hiring process. The old rules are gone. The job seekers who land roles are not even playing that game. They are using smarter job search strategies and AI powered job search tools. They're doing something completely different. In this video, I will show you exactly what they are doing and how you can use their strategy to land your dream job. Section 1. Beat the resume robots. When you click apply button, your resume enters an application tracking system, or it is also called ATS. Think of it as an AI gatekeeper. Understanding how AI works in recruitment is one of the most important job search tips you can learn. It is not a person, it scans your keywords. If you do not have the right keywords, you are out. A human never even sees your name. Here is how you beat the robot with the smart resume tips and job search strategies. First, customize your resume for the job. Read the job description carefully. Use the same keywords for skills and qualifications. A skills section helps the ATS and AI systems see your ability quickly. Second, keep your formatting simple. Use standard fonts like Arial or Times New Roman. Avoid tables, columns, or graphics that can confuse the system. Third, use free AI powered job search tools and resume scanners. Tools like JobScan, SkillSincher, or Resume Worded use AI similar to ATS system to scan your resume. They give you feedback so you can optimize it before you apply. You can even experiment with tools built on OpenAI to refine your resume language. Section 2. Adopt a researcher's mindset. Stop thinking of yourself as a job seeker. Start acting like a researcher doing your job search. This one mental shift changes everything and it strengthens your job search strategy. You're not asking for a job, you're starting a research project. You want to learn how people in your field are succeeding. You want to find opportunities that are not on job boards. This approach removes the pressure. You're not asking for a favor. You are a peer looking for insight. This leads to a genuine conversation, and in such conversation, opportunities appear. This mindset is one of the most powerful job search tips you can apply. It is also at the heart of Adam Grant's book, Give and Take. He shows that success is often driven by our interactions with others. Research shows that 75% to 90% of all generosity in an organization starts with a request for help. By asking for insight, you give others a chance to be givers. This builds a real relationship. Section 3. Target 20 companies strategically. Stop the spray and pray method in your job search. Do not send 200 applications to 200 random companies. Instead, be strategic. Identify about 20 companies you genuinely want to work for as part of your focused job search strategy. These are companies with a mission that excites you or products you truly love. Once you have your list, the real work begins. Follow them on social media, especially LinkedIn. Do not just be a follower, you must engage. Write a thoughtful comment on their post so you understand their business. Ask a smart question. The goal is to get your name and face seen. You want them to become familiar with you. Set up job alerts for only these companies. This cuts out the noise and it strengthens your overall job search strategies. While you do this, connect with people who work there. Connect with your target department and with recruiters. When a job opens up, they will already know who you are. Section 4. Make your LinkedIn a recruiter magnet. Your LinkedIn profile is not just a dusty online resume. In 2026, visibility is the new resume, especially in an AI driven job search environment. Optimize your headline and summary using smart resume tips. Use the right keywords. List your biggest accomplishments. Tell a story about the value you bring. Think about what a recruiter would type in the search bar. Make sure those words are in your profile so AI search algorithm can find you. The real magic is engagement. You need to be active. Post your own insights, share your work, comment on industry trends. You can use AI and OpenAI powered job search tools to generate content ideas or refine your posts. You can find excellent courses on how to do this on LinkedIn Learning. Search for topics like improve your LinkedIn profile or professional networking to learn from experts. Section 5. The Art of Connection. Networking can feel awkward and transactional during a job search. The old way is connecting and immediately asking for a job. The new way is about human connection. It is based on Dale Carnegie's advice in his book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Be complimentary. Tell them why you're reaching out. So you did your homework. Be specific about what you want to learn, not what you want to take, and keep your message short. Job search is not a quick fix. It takes works and intention. But when you learn these tips, it puts the power back in your hands. When you understand how AI works, use the right resume tips, and apply practical job search tips and job search strategies, you stop guessing and start moving strategically. This is how you connect with the people who can hire you. And this is how you finally land a job you love in 2026. What is the most frustrating part of your job search? Drop in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and share with your friends who may need it.